In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Beeper messaging app on your Windows computer. So Beeper is one of the best all-in-one messaging app that includes Discord, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and Twitter DMs, as well as WhatsApp and many more. So if you want an all-in-one messaging app, then you can download Beeper app. To get this app, go ahead and open any browser you are using. For my case, I have Chrome and Firefox. I'll go ahead and open my Chrome browser and then just search for Beeper. You can see here, and then I'll hit on enter. You can see Beeper, all your chats in one app is here. I'll go ahead and click on it, and we have an option to download it for free here. So you will not even need to create an account for you to be able to download. So proceed and download either here, or if you scroll down, you should see we have an option to download for Windows. I'll go ahead and click on download here, and I'll be taken to the download page where download will begin automatically. However, if your download doesn't start automatically, then you can click here for you to get the files for this app or program downloaded on your computer. Now, once this is done, you should see we have our Beeper file here ready for installation. Go ahead and click on the folder, and it will take you to the file where this Beeper setup file is located, and you can see mine is here. To install now this program on our computer, you need to go ahead and double click on this setup file, and this will go ahead and collect all the setup files and begin installation. And as you can see, the installation is on. This takes just some few seconds, and finally the installation is done. You can see Beeper shortcut on the desktop here. Now you can proceed and double click on it to launch the app and start using. Here you'll need to continue with your email, so go ahead and click on continue with your email. Enter your email for you to be able to sign in and connect all your accounts on this Beeper app. So that's how you can install Beeper app on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.